So, today's episode, I'm going to talk about how you can become a coronavirus millionaire, millions of dollars. So, basically, with the stock market, you can always make money no matter what. So, the economy is doing great, you can make money. The economy is doing bad, you can make money. It doesn't matter which direction the market is going or how things are, you can always make money with the stock market. So, for example, right now we have this coronavirus chaos that's going on right now, and it is another opportunity for you to make money. And the way that you can make money with this coronavirus thing, and I know, first of all, let's address the whole, it's a crisis, and people are dying, and you're being a parasite trying to make money from something where people are suffering. Okay, yes, I understand that people are suffering, and it is pretty sad, it's pretty tragic, but this is simply the way that the market works, and that's all there is to it. But the way that you can make money is right now, what's happening is Chinese stocks are doing really bad because of what's happening in China because of the coronavirus. So you have a lot of really great companies that are not doing very well. If you look at the stock prices, they've taken a significant dip. However, the reason why they've taken a dip is not because the value of those companies have dropped, but it's because of the chaos right now. You have a lot of companies that aren't doing. Hong Kong just had its first death, says Blender Master. So the reason why the stock prices are down is because of all the chaos right now. People are, the people are getting this virus right now. You have a lot of businesses that are closed right now, so it's hurting the local economy, and obviously there's a lot of risk there. So people are sort of, I don't want to mess with anything in China, right? But the bottom line is this is something that is most likely going to be temporary. And when things sort of settle down, the prices are going to pop back up. So, the way that you can make money right now is that taking advantage of the fact that the prices are very low on a lot of Chinese stocks. So, look for a solid company, a solid Chinese company that has been, solid growth. They've been around for a while. You have a lot of confidence in that company, and buy a lot of the stock, whatever it is, just buy as much as you can buy, and basically hold on to it until things recover. Now, more than likely, again, a lot of it's panicking and like, oh no, coronavirus, right? So once things actually settle down to where people are, sort of, okay, so this is not actually as bad as we thought. The fatality rate is less than SARS. We've sort of got it under control. The businesses are starting to open back up. So at that point in time, when things are starting to look better, the prices will pop back. But you bought them really low, so you can make a lot of profit when the price is correct. So again, the bottom line is a lot of stocks, a lot of Chinese stocks are going to be undervalued because of the coronavirus thing. So it's like, yeah, it's trading at $30 per share, but that's not really the proper price. It's only $30 a share because of panic right now, right? So you can get it real cheap and get a pretty quick return on your investment pretty soon when the price returns. However, and this is a typical thing, more risk, more reward. More reward, more risk, right? So the only reason that this is a great opportunity where you can make your millions of dollars if you got enough money to invest, right? Is because of the market has been relatively positive overall. So it's trending or tending in that direction, whatever that means. It's trending in that direction in terms of moving upwards, right? So that's where the market is sort of heading. Um, and again, the price is only down because of the current crisis. So as long as a crisis, we move beyond that, and things start settling down, and we get back to our Chinese company that's been doing very well, Chinese stock rather, and buy it while it's cheap right now. So let's say the price is down 20%, 30%. Once we're through the sort of panic phase of this whole Corona thing, the price will recover and you'll get big returns. So if you had a large enough position, obviously you need to have enough money to have a large position. So therefore, 20% return, get you that $1 million. But bottom line is, even if it's not $1 million, the bottom line is there's a lot of great potential opportunity to make a lot of money right now with what's going on with the Corona stuff. But again, whenever there's a big chance of reward, is also a big risk as well. So what's the risk? Right now, the market is trending in a positive direction. That's what it's been doing, but that can change. So combine the negative that's happening with right now with the coronavirus, with the market generally slowing a little bit in terms of the U.S. economy. So the market could actually start going down. So you combine what's going on with the virus with the market going down, and maybe you put all this money into some Chinese stock and waiting for it to pop back, and it doesn't pop back, and the market in general starts to go down. So then you end up in a loss, and it could stay in that negative direction for years, right? The market can go down for years and years and years. I mean, even a decade or more is a possibility. So as long as the market keeps trending positively or upward, then there's a lot of great opportunity with the coronavirus because again, Chinese stocks are down, they're undervalued. Get a real cheap, and then when we're over, so that there's a panic period. Oh no, Corona! Everybody's got Corona. Once we're over that, then the prices pop back and you get your money. But again, that only works if we don't have other issues that make the market go down. So, great opportunities are there, but just buyer beware. No one has a crystal ball. We can't predict the future. So, the market could go south any day now. There's no way to predict what it's going to do. But if you are very confident the market's going to continue on its uptrend, then buying these Chinese stocks could be a great way to make a lot of money really fast. But be careful, and as always, never invest more money than you're willing to lose. All right, guys, thanks for watching. You enjoyed the video. Click on the like button, subscribe, smash that bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and be well. Literally. Do whatever you take. Make sure you wash your hands. Take all the precautions that they're recommending out there. But don't get too crazy about this Corona stuff. I think the fatality rate they said is less than SARS, for example. So a lot of the panic is really because of certain things. Like there's a lot of unknowns, and it seems it's not a seasonal thing. There are a lot of factors, a lot of videos that will talk about all that stuff, so you can look into it if you want to. But just be safe, be well, and until next episode, this is Carlyle's Picks. This is Carlos Picks, the most amazing YouTube channel in the world. Bum bum ba bum 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 bum. What's up, Rico Suave? Buenas noches.